In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the role of a software engineer has become increasingly vital. Software engineers are the architects of the digital world, crafting the intricate codes that power our applications, websites, and systems. As the demand for innovative solutions continues to surge, the software engineer finds themselves at the forefront of the technological revolution, navigating a complex and dynamic field that requires a blend of technical prowess, creative problem-solving, and effective communication. To comprehend the essence of a software engineer's role, one must delve into the foundational aspects of their work. At its core, software engineering is the systematic application of engineering principles to the design, development, testing, and maintenance of software. It is a discipline that bridges the gap between theoretical computer science and the practical implementation of software solutions. Software engineers are not just coders, they are strategic thinkers, collaborating to create robust, scalable, and efficient software systems. The journey to becoming a proficient software engineer is a multifaceted one, often starting with a solid educational foundation. Many software engineers hold degrees in computer science, software engineering, or related fields. However, the dynamic nature of the industry means that continuous learning is imperative. Whether through formal education, self-directed online courses, or on-the-job experience, staying abreast of the latest technologies and methodologies is a hallmark of a successful software engineer. Programming languages serve as the linguistic framework through which software engineers communicate with computers. Proficiency in languages such as Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript is a common prerequisite. Each language has its unique strengths and applications, and a seasoned software engineer navigates this linguistic diversity with ease. The ability to choose the right tool for the job is a testament to their expertise. Beyond coding skills, a software engineer must grasp the intricacies of software development methodologies. Agile, Scrum, and DevOps are among the popular frameworks that facilitate collaboration, flexibility, and rapid iteration. Understanding these methodologies is crucial as they govern the entire software development lifecycle, from initial concept to final deployment. An adept software engineer seamlessly integrates these methodologies into their workflow, ensuring the timely and efficient delivery of high-quality software products. The software engineer's toolkit extends beyond programming languages and methodologies to encompass a plethora of tools and technologies. Version control systems like Git, collaboration platforms like Jira, and integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio Code are integral components of their daily workflow. Mastery of these tools enhances efficiency, collaboration, and the overall quality of the software development process. In the ever-connected digital ecosystem, software engineers must also navigate the complexities of networking and database management. Understanding how data is stored, retrieved, and transmitted is fundamental to building scalable and responsive applications. Database management systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB are indispensable allies in the software engineer's quest to create data-driven solutions. As technology advances, the role of software engineers is expanding beyond traditional boundaries. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, has ushered in a new era, demanding that software engineers acquire expertise in these cutting-edge domains. Whether designing algorithms for predictive analytics or developing neural networks for image recognition, software engineers are at the forefront of harnessing the power of AI and ML to solve complex problems. In addition to technical acumen, soft skills play a pivotal role in the success of a software engineer. Effective communication, collaboration, and problem-solving are essential in an environment where cross-functional teams work together to bring software solutions to life. The ability to translate complex technical concepts into layman's terms is a hallmark of a skilled communicator, facilitating understanding and cooperation among team members with diverse backgrounds and expertise. The software engineer's journey is marked by a perpetual quest for excellence and a commitment to lifelong learning. The fast-paced nature of the industry necessitates adaptability and a willingness to embrace change. Continuous improvement is not just a mantra, it is a guiding principle that propels software engineers to explore emerging technologies, experiment with novel approaches, and refine their skills to stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Security is a paramount concern in the digital realm, and software engineers bear the responsibility of fortifying the systems they create. From encryption algorithms to secure coding practices, safeguarding data and protecting against cyber threats is woven into the fabric of their work. A keen awareness of potential vulnerabilities and a proactive approach to security are integral to the ethical practice of software engineering. In the realm of software engineering, collaboration extends beyond the boundaries of a single team or organization. Open source development has become a driving force, with software engineers contributing to and benefiting from a global community of developers. Platforms like GitHub serve as collaborative hubs where ideas are shared, code is reviewed, and projects flourish through collective effort. The ethos of open-source development underscores the interconnected and collaborative nature of the software engineering community. The software engineer's role is not confined to the development phase alone. They are instrumental in the ongoing maintenance and enhancement of software systems. As technology evolves and user needs shift, software engineers engage in a continuous cycle of refinement. Bug fixes, updates, and feature enhancements are part of their routine, ensuring that software remains resilient and responsive in the face of evolving requirements. The impact of software engineering extends far beyond the confines of the technology sector. Virtually every industry, from healthcare to finance, relies on software solutions to streamline processes, analyze data, and enhance decision-making. Software engineers thus find themselves at the intersection of technology and innovation, driving progress and shaping the digital landscape. The global demand for skilled software engineers continues to soar, creating a myriad of opportunities for those entering the field. Startups, multinational corporations, and tech giants alike seek the expertise of software engineers to spearhead their digital initiatives. The flexibility of remote work has further widened the talent pool, allowing software engineers to collaborate on projects spanning continents and time zones. As the software engineering profession evolves, ethical considerations come to the forefront. Software engineers grapple with questions of privacy, data ownership, and the societal impact of the systems they create. Responsible and ethical coding practices are imperative, ensuring that technology serves the greater good without perpetuating biases or causing harm. The ethical dimension of software engineering underscores the need for a holistic approach that goes beyond technical proficiency. In conclusion, the role of a software engineer is both dynamic and multifaceted, requiring a blend of technical expertise, creative problem-solving, and effective communication. From the foundational principles of programming languages and development methodologies to the intricacies of networking, databases, and emerging technologies like AI and ML, software engineers navigate a complex and ever-evolving landscape. Soft skills, security considerations, and a commitment to continuous learning are integral to their success. The software engineer is not merely a coder but a visionary shaping the digital future. Their work reverberates across industries, impacting how we live, work, and connect in the digital age. As the demand for innovative solutions persists, the software engineer remains a linchpin in the technological revolution, contributing to the ever-expanding tapestry of the digital world. In a world driven by code, the software engineer stands as a creator, problem solver, and architect of the digital realm.